What's up, everybody? Here, Infamous Pulls. I just got a display box, Order Care Special Edition, and extra, an extra two mini boxes. I pulled 9 effect veilers. I pulled 9 effect veilers and 4 Wind Dragon Raws, and I also bought this for my Vulsar deck. I'm hoping to get some ninja stuff. Najasho, Evo Force, Hornet. Oh wow, fucking fail. Alright, here we go. Start opening the packs. Let's go. Just a rare. Evil Tiger Scenario.
What about me?
Screw you.
I've opened packs here. Oops, we don't open packs.
Number C39 Utopia Ray. Ultimate. Already got it. Ghost Rare. I don't need no more, but it is what it is. Let's see what we got.
I like to open the pack.
Darkstorm Dragon. Got that shit too. Oh my god, that's my third one. God damn. Another rare, Gaga Bolt.
Rare. Oh, Inzektor
Oh
X.
God. So
Inzektor
horrible.
Hulk.
Horrible.
Super.
That's my third one also. So bad. So. Wind up Shark. Nice. On Hornet, at least Hornet. Oh, Hanzo. Talking about Hanzo. There you go, Ninja Grandmaster Hanzo, Ultra. Very nice, very nice. Yo, where you put the effect veilers at? Huh?
They're under.
Ninja's Art Super Transformation. Okay, nice. If I get another Hanzo, I'm gonna make the fuck it. I'm gonna make the ninja deck. You suck. Okay, what the upside down rare capacity.
Rare.
Gaga Bolt. Evil Tiger Scenario, rare.
Inzektor Gigamantis.
Yeah, that's not bad. I'll probably throw in another one in my sector deck. Evolsar Soda. Oh my god, that's my second one. God damn. Come on.
Rare. Full-time Thrasher.
Ninja Grandmaster Hanzo. Another Hanzo. Nice. Come on. One more, and that's it. One more, come on. Oh yeah, I still need Evil Tiger Najasho and Evo Force. Come on. Number 12, Prism Shadow Ninja. Not bad. And Dragonfly Ring.
Go Giant and Creeping Darkness. Super rare.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There you go. There we go. Oh, what the hell just happened? Oh, Gaga Bolt.
Go Giant Rare.
Damn. You haven't pulled number one hollow. You're bad luck, douchebag. Sector Hopper. That's like my fifth one. So that's so cool. I got two Hanzos. Sector Orb. Let's go Torbus, just to have it. Dark Blade, Captain of the Evil World. Rare. That's like my fourth one. Wind Up Carriers and Mighty. It's my second one. Nice. Come on, Najasho, where you at? Evil Force. Oh, what the? Rare urban capacity. What you got, fool? I saw you smiling.
Dark flat top. Rare.
Just for that, you was smiling. What a douche. Let me see how many packs I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like 9 packs. Let's go. Come on. I want more stuff. Armor Rust Mist. Armor Detroit Rust Mist. I think that's my like third one.
Dark flat top again. Rare.
You're bad luck. You're bad luck. Come on. Hornet. Wait, what the? Reverse Buster. What the?
Ejector Dragonfly rare.
Hornet! No! White Knight Queen.
Overcapacity rare.
Got bolt. Don't tell me I'm not getting no more hollows. Damn. Shrine of Miss Valley. Another rare. That's like my fifth rare in a row. Last pack. Oh, my brother opened one. Sorry, douchebag. Okay. Last pack. Come on, Hornet.
Blade Armor Ninja.
Hornet. Come forth. Full-tone Lizard. Alright. It's not bad. Just a quick recap. Damn. Fucking cards falling all over the place. Okay, in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Effect Veilers, and 4 Wind Dragon of Raws, Starstorm Dragon, OT Utopia Ray, Blade Armor Ninja, Armor Ninjutsu of Rust Mist, Wind Up Carriers and Mighty, Creeping Darkness, Ninja. Wait, what? Number 12, Crimson Shadow Ninja, Armor Ninja, Hanzo, Ultra, Sector Gigamantis, Ultra, Vulsar Soda, then Ninjutsu Art Super Transformation, another Hanzo, Wind Up Shark, Insector X, Insector Hawk, and MX Saber Invoker, the best secret of the box. Alright. I'm probably gonna buy another display box maybe. So yeah. Let me know my pulls list. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, like, comment, Rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.